Going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over the four stocks that I traded April 13th. Today is a Monday, starting off the week green and very strongly too. So let's just jump into the trades. Um, Taking a look at Amazon, I took a position on Amazon at 2074. So I took a position here, had my stop loss at this higher support. Now why I took the trade was I was anticipating a move up and over the resistance level, and I was looking for a continuation of the move. So now what I did was I took a position here on this breakout. I wrote it, I wrote it, I wrote it, and once we started getting a pullback, I took 3/4 of my shares off. So I took 3/4 of my shares off, and I had my stop loss, as you can see, set up here. If you look down here, stop loss 2075. So I set it $1 above my of my entry, so I can lock in profits and also pay for commissions wherever it took me out. I was up more than 1.5 R, so this was a great trade. But it came back, and if we go here and you look at the top left corner of this chart, it says the low was 2075.01. So it literally took me, it didn't even touch 2075. It touched the 1 penny above 2075, and it took me out. Uh so I end up missing this whole entire move. Cuz I wasn't going to get in here. Reason being, I just got out of a freaking my stop just triggered from a trade that I was planning on holding for a while, and taking a position after um was just not my plan. Yeah, I wanted to take my 2R 1.5 R and then let shares ride. So and it stopped me out. That's like such a bummer, really, cuz the shares that I had um would have been 50 points. I would have been 50 points in the money right now, and up more than 250 bucks on the small shares that I have. So um such a bummer, really, but it's all good. It's all good. Came out the trade for a little more than 1 hour, so I mean it's not bad. So now RCL, I was looking for a short the whole morning. Um I was looking for a crack under 30.50. So now I took a position before then, because I've noticed strength in the stock, and I noticed that it was holding up when the market was going down. So now I was looking for a breakdown of this support right here, so I won't get in any type of fake out. So I put myself in the position to be able to hold on to this trade a little longer. I took it here, I shorted it. I saw the immediate bounce at 30.50, 34.50, started eating away at my profits, and I sold it for a $27 win. So yep. Yeah, pretty good trade, good trade. TSLA, now I took two positions on TSLA, Tesla. So now as you can see, we had a huge two 595 resistance pre-market, and now I was looking to scalp this. So I took my first trade here. So my first trade was at 556, 556.20, if I'm not mistaken. So what happened here was it came, rejected, had a higher support level. Oh shoot, that scared me. So I had a higher support level right here, so it created a higher support. I got it. And then I wrote it up a bit. It started taking away from my profits. Like this came up, pulled back almost everything that it gained, and then started trending higher. So I took it for a very small. I took it off for like a $30 win. So something small, but just it was a scalp. I got a bad fill on it, which was the suckish part, but I mean, that's the least of my worries because I end up getting back in at the break of 600. So I got this 25 cents early. So I got it here, anticipating another breakout and also just following the momentum of the stock. I was risking 5 points. No, 2 points. I was risking 2 points. So I got it 60. I was risking a 68. Um, and I'm snagging 2 points out of this as well. So my average sell was about there. As you can see, it came up, had a next candle, immediately pushed all the way down, and I just sold. So I got out for 1 hour there, and now my only loser on the day was ZM. ZM, I took a position at 132. This was kind of suckish, but you're about to see what happened. So now why I took a position at 132 if it looks like it was chasing. Well, reason being it had a pre-market support. It broke out of pre-market support, now finding a higher support. So we can see that it created a wick to the upside. It pulled back and then started holding above this. So now this was the higher support level. Um, Reason why I didn't take it here was I was anticipating a closing candle. It immediately just like destroyed it. It destroyed the morning resistance, the morning push. And now we were looking about here. So now we got an opening candle here. Now I was just following the momentum. I had my stop loss here where this resistance was, these little resistance wicks. I came back. I sold 3/4 of my position. All right, not bad. Like I sold 3/4 of my position for my loss, my regular loss. I was following my plan, and it just kept recovering, recovering, recovering. I ended up selling, minimizing my losses. So fantastic. I mean, like, um, not fantastic trade necessarily. It was just a scalping trade. It came against me, sold. Um, Started trending back up, started recovering my profits. Now this didn't have to be a red trade, but I think I managed it well for the circumstances. I was just anticipating a move immediately higher. Ended up getting it, but just at the wrong timing. Nevertheless, a good trade. Just $37 minus negative $37. So yeah, those were my 4 trades. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm also going to be leaving the link to my Discord down below if you guys want to join. It's a free community of like-minded individuals where we talk about trades, go over trade ideas, and just try to help one another. So if that interests you in any way, um, just hit the link down below, and we'll love to have you there. So yep, this concludes this video. Thanks for watching.